You've heard the saying 100 times. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. It sounds reasonable. Lightning feels random, rare, a one-time event you're lucky or unlucky enough to witness. There's a place on Earth where that saying isn't just wrong. It's almost the opposite of true. One location gets struck by lightning roughly 1 million times a year. The saying likely comes from how lightning feels from a human perspective. Most of us will never be struck once in our entire lives, so the idea of it happening twice in the exact same spot feels statistically absurd. But that intuition is built on watching lightning hit open ground, where each strike really does seem scattered and unpredictable. It falls apart completely once you look at what lightning actually targets. Lightning isn't picking random points on the ground. It's seeking the path of least resistance to complete an electrical circuit between storm clouds and the Earth. Tall, conductive objects, a lone tree, a skyscraper, a radio tower, offer exactly that path, again and again, strike after strike, storm after storm. The Empire State Building gets struck by lightning roughly 25 times a year. Not because it's unlucky, because its height and conductivity make it the easiest available route every single time a nearby storm builds up enough charge. Height and conductivity don't expire after one strike. If anything, a location that's been struck once is proof it's an excellent target, and it stays an excellent target. Now, scale that principle up to an entire region, and you get Catatumbo lightning over Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela. A specific combination of factors converges there almost nightly. Warm, moist air rising off the lake collides with cool air flowing down from the surrounding Andes Mountains, generating intense, near-continuous thunderstorm activity. The result is genuinely staggering. Lightning flashes there for roughly 140 to 60 nights a year, sometimes producing dozens of strikes per minute, adding up to an estimated 1.2 million lightning events annually, concentrated almost entirely over one relatively small stretch of water. It's visible from remarkable distances, too. Sailors, historically, used the glow from Catatumbo's storms as a natural navigation beacon, spotting the flickering light from over 100 miles away, long before they could see any coastline. Not every detail is fully settled. Catatumbo remains an unusually extreme case even among the world's known lightning hotspots. And while the general atmospheric setup, the lake, the mountains, the humidity, is well understood, researchers are still refining the precise mechanisms that make this specific location so exceptionally consistent, night after night, compared to other similar geographies elsewhere on Earth. So the next time someone repeats that old saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice, you can picture Catatumbo flashing away over that lake for the better part of 1,000 hours a year. Or the Empire State Building, hit again and again, simply for being tall and conductive in the wrong storm's path. Lightning was never avoiding repeat targets. It's been finding the same easy paths back to the same good targets the entire time. We just needed a place extreme enough to make that impossible to ignore.